What's up, it's Andrew from Trailrunner Customs. I just wanted to quickly go over how to put the SS3 in the fog light shell. First off, thank you for helping me test this product. So basically all you need to do is get a flat surface and the hardware is included with the shell. So you just take the nuts and put them in the little side slots that is where you normally mount the SS3 at. You just put them in there, and then from there you can take the shell and put it on top of the light. Now, putting it on a flat table has a lot of help to this, because to line it up with the holes exactly, all you need to do is push it down on something flat. And so once it's flush, it will line up with the holes in the sides. And from there, you can grab your hardware and grab an Allen key and screw it into the side. So I try to keep the face down at all times, that way the nuts don't fall out of the light. But all you need to do is just screw in the screws with the Allen key. Super simple, super easy. Straightforward, like I said, and shouldn't take too long. So when tightening these up, I'm making them snug, but I'm not over tightening them super hard because I don't want to accidentally crack any part of the shell itself. So once you snug them up, you're ready to go outside and install them in your bumper. Now, I have a longer video on my YouTube channel of how to do this, but all you need to do is really just snap them in and hear the pop. And that's it. Pretty simple.